Okay, guys, hit that like, subscribe. Custom built for play go mode. We back at it. Let me turn this down for a little while. So, this is what I've been up to. I know it kind of looks like the Creighton, but it's not. What I did actually for a while, I've been searching for bodies, and I just happened to order a body that was supposedly been for my Creighton, and that's a success. But they sent me this here. So, I made it work once I realized that it fit the earthquake perfectly. Now, one thing you may have to do is these hubs here. I mean, the towers here for the body, the support. You're gonna have to put like a washer or something over it and then come down because they are kind of small. But that's just about it. In the front, the way I have it mounted, the body is so low. So, and this is the way I do it. So I want the body low so I can just go like this and it's kind of a stiffer feel. Now, something new I tried. I got these lights off of Amazon, which they're connected to a 10-volt connector. And I ran them across the front. First time doing this here. First time running a light bar on the inside. And what I did actually was just connected the battery to it and let it go on its own. So, I don't know what I did with the battery, but I was probably over here on this little chair searching for the battery. Sorry about the little break, guys, but it's just a easy fix. I'm going to mount this in. You know how to hook up a 10-volt battery. If you don't, there it is. I mean a 9-volt battery, sorry. But pretty much, this is what you get when you're dealing with those. Now, me, myself, I think I did kind of a good job, except for the painting here. It kind of ran a little. But, yeah, those lights, they're bright. I have the ones on the rear here, which, yeah. And like I said, the body does go on. Let me put it back so you guys can see, And like I said, I just winged it actually and went with it. I actually have a wing that's coming here, so I'm going to have to pull these off and put the wing mount on and everything, and I'm just going to mount it because this is a little excess space back here. But, the lights are on. And let you guys see how it looks. Now, only thing I had to change so far on this truck was the steering. The steering links. Because I wore those out with a servo saver and all of that is. But yeah, it's a pretty good truck. I'll go into it more if you want to know what else is in here. I already told you guys. I have videos on what's in here step by step. I converted it from from nitro. So what I did this time on the paint job was use the decal sticker and just paint it in here. Just painted in the decal sticker and pulled it off and did the other color. This is a metallic black with a basic latex green. So like I said, it's nice. And also for the windows, guys, if you want to think about something that's actually going to strengthen your body but that's not heavy, you can actually use window tint, because I've used window tint on the windows here and they haven't cracked on none of my RCs. And it kind of fits like a tape, strengthens it. I did my usual run of the Gorilla tape. Just went around. I have to put some more here. And if you want to use the dotted window tint, you could use that too. That's kind of strong. So I have it on the drift car that flipped maybe at like 35, 40 miles an hour. And it's kind of strong. It's kind of a flat top, so the windows, I'm pretty sure they did get hit its scuffs and everything on it. But here it is. And I'm going to probably mount this here, like up here somewhere. It's very simple. I have sticky tape. I can just put it on there and pull it off, put it on, put it off however I want, or I can use Velcro. Velcro I find the best. Velcro and what do you call those zip ties to hold things down. But here it is. And here it is with the lights off. Like I said, it's that black paint. I like that one. It was Door Tracks or something like that, I think. So, and then as it goes in, I just did this maybe a day ago, so 2 days ago or so. So I'm pushing it down actually to make sure the dotted tint is in the mesh, whatever you want to call it. But other than that, paint's good. On the inside, I'm gonna run that down for you real quick. Everything is still stock. XT90s, plugs, you know. Again, guys, don't go by my plugs. I do my plugs this way. Do your plug. Make sure you pay attention to your plugs. Don't pay attention to my plugs at all. If you ever order a battery, look at the battery and look at my plugs. You'll understand why. This is the fan just to add a little extra cooling in here. You know, I just added that. It all turns on and off. Everything's still factory. This is screen door mesh with some Gorilla Tape on the edges. And I don't have any dirt issues or anything like that. It actually rolls right back out or right out the back end. Only thing that breaks on here constant is this here. Is this, and that's because I bash it. I bash it a lot. I'm rough on this one here. Suspension is great. Just don't make it too stiff. It's time for me to get some more springs. This is almost 3 years here with this one, and I bashed it, ran it nitro, still same. But I did upgrade the rear ones, so they seem to last, and they've been on here for about a year and 2 years, and you get more suspension with those. Like if you can see it there, and this is the front here. So I'll get some more springs for this, and we'll end up having a little better run with this one here too. But that's just pretty much it, guys. Let you see that body again. Sit the body on, turn the lights on, let's see how it looks all together. And like I said, you know, the rough part about it right now, like I say, is just this area in the back here. It's just so much space. Whereas, though, you know, if you're in the hobby, you would say, I need to do something with that. But here it is from the side. So those lights, I like those lights. I think I'm gonna go with those from now on, and let you get like a front and rear look. See how it looks at the same time. But yeah, 9-volt battery. I think that's nothing. So once my wing mount comes, I'll load it up and I'll let you guys see what this thing does. Because I'm ready to really see what it does, because it does need a wheelie bar. I don't care what anybody says. This thing will wheelie off the gas. It doesn't have to be a full battery. It will wheelie. So, and besides tires from the factory, I would say, other than the factory, I would run these tires on this truck here. They're pretty cheap. They're about maybe like $40 if that. No, I would say about 50. I will go 50. Depends on where you go, and that's it. They don't balloon too much. They don't pop. They have just enough grip. Whereas though, if you want to run it on the street, they're great. If you want to run it on gravel, even better. Yeah. All right, guys. Hit that like, subscribe. Custom Built for Play Go Mode. We out.